नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, on hundreds of Adinavasis channels, YouTube Live, and through two-way video conferencing. Having Nayana Diksha, sitting with us, a long list, so I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Yes. From today till Guru Purnima, in Adinam Chalo series, I'll expand various nuances, the technical details of power manifestation. Anybody who has done inner awakening from 2008, I think 2008 I started inner awakening. From 2008 till this 43rd inner awakening which is going on now. Anybody who has done any one inner awakening, if you are interested in manifesting next level of powers, I'll be offering 7 days free program for you all. For all inner awakening graduates. All the inner awakening graduates, if you have done any one inner awakening or Shivoham or Nityanandoham or Sadashivoham, any inner awakening program, in this 43 inner awakening, you are welcome to join 1 week program from July 1st to July 7th training, Shaktipada, to make you manifest next levels of powers. If you have already finished third eye, if you are able to manifest all the powers of third eye, you will be initiated into length, breadth, depth. Shaktipada for that. If you are already able to manifest third eye and length, breadth, depth, then Ashtakanma. Next level of power manifestation initiation from July 1st to 7. It's only for inner awakening grads. Only for inner awakening grads from all over the world. You can come and participate. We are also setting a world record on power manifestation on July 8th. July 9th is Guru Purnima. So have 7 days training, July 1st to 7th. And then manifest powers and be part of the July 8th world record. And then July 9th Guru Purnima. Of course, one thing, in power manifestation only we have to break our record, no. Because still now neither anybody has set a record, nor anybody is going to set a record or compete with us. It is just our own path. We set a record and we break the record, and then we set a record and we break record. That's all. It is no competition zone. No competition zone. So we set a record on Yoga Day. We will break it on Guru Purnima Day. Again we set a record on Guru Purnima Day. We will break it on Vijayadashmi Day. And then again we will set a one more record on Vijayadashmi Day. And we will break it on my birthday. So this is the way it is going to be going on. So this July 8th, we will set a next record on power manifestation. So from today, I'll teach the nuances, means the deeper understandings you need to cognize, and the Shaktipada you need to have for power manifestation. So July 1st to 7th, all of you are welcome to come and be here, have direct Shaktipada training. All inner awakening grads are welcome to come and attend this power manifestation training. And Guru Purnima Day means one day before Guru Purnima, July 8th, we will be setting a world record. And July 9th, we will have Guru Purnima celebration. I am looking at setting a world record of various powers manifestation. First, a team will manifest powers of third eye, blindfold reading, remote vision, and body scanning. And then a set of participants will manifest the powers of length, then breadth, then depth, then consciousness over the matter, various powers. Then materialization, teleportation, all this. I am looking at least 1008 participants will manifest various powers. Come and be part of this grand happening. Come and be part of this grand happening. So from today, Adinavasis also start preparing for this. Preparing to manifest powers, one thing, and preparing the campus to host this program. Preparing to the campus to host this program by cleaning it up, receiving plans and everything. So the first thing power manifestation needs is Shaktipada. Shaktipada is connecting with enlightened space, Chidambara, a conscious space. In the conscious space, nothing happens as a compulsive thought pattern or unconscious flow current. Listen carefully. Thought or mood or ideas or incompletions, nothing moves unconsciously. In the conscious inner space, Chidambara, if something is going on unconsciously in you without your knowledge, then it is not Chidambara. If it is pure Chidambara, it moves consciously. Nothing moves unconsciously. So understand, connecting with the Chidambara, who already achieved that space of Sadashivatva, who is already manifesting Sadashiva, connecting with that being space is what I call Shaktipada. The first step for manifesting Shaktis is Shaktipada. One funny thing about Shaktipada is you can't speak, you can only do it. It is like how many hours you hear about swimming, it will not help you. You need to get into the water and start swimming. You need to get into the water and start the movements. Shaktipada is also same. You need to get into that space and start living. Getting into that space and start living. In that high energy and enthusiasm, in the high spirit. Maybe I'll give on Shaktipada now, then try to expand. Let me start with this initiation, Manifesting Shakti's special program till Guru Purnima. You can start manifesting Shaktis, practicing sessions. Through the in charge of Yogic Powers, Yogic Sciences team, Ma Mahayoga. There will be regular sessions and classes. So with this, anybody wants to attend this Manifesting Shaktis program, special program, from July 1st to 9th, because 1st to 7th training, then 8th setting the world record, and 9th Guru Purnima. You are welcome to come and be in Bengaluru Adinam and enjoy this free program, which is exclusively for Inner Awakening graduates. If you want to register, please send an email and register. Register in tinyurl.com /manifest Shaktis. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.